Biblical Hebrew for Beginners.
Hi everybody, Shalom lekulam. Today we shall speak about the Hebrew word Adam, often translated to English as human. What does it mean to be Adam? To be a human, tells us Genesis chapter 5 verse 2. Let's read the Hebrew version and then slowly translate it to English. זכר ונקבה בראם, male and female, he created them, ויברך אותם, and he blessed them, ויקרא את שמם אדם, and he called their name Adam, ביום היבראם, the day that they were created. So if we look closely to this verse, we can see that Adam, human, is a composition of male and female. Only male and female together can be named Adam, but not a biological male and not a physical female. Let's look again to the word zachar, male in Hebrew. The word zachar, masculine or male, is composed of three letters: zayin, chaf, resh. Zachar comes from the word zocher, remembers. Hazachar zocher, the male remembers, or zachar zach. Zach is pure, like zechuchit in Hebrew. Zechuchit in Hebrew means glass, very pure that you can see through it. So zachar is the one who remembers, and it is also pure from zach. And nekeva, female, is from nekev, meaning a hole, or like in English, nekeva, like cave. So who are those two that have the righteousness to be named Adam? Zachar unekeva, male and female. The one who remembers, also the one who is pure, together with the cave, with a nekeva, with a hole, with a deficiency. Only them together, they together, can be named Adam. Also, Zachar, male, is, we can say, the giver, and Nekeva is the receiver, but not in a biological sense. The Zachar, which is mentioned here, is the soul which remembers where it comes from heavens, and the Nekeva, the female, is the human body, again the body itself, the cells. So only soul and body, Zachar unekeva, are named Adam, human, together. Only soul without a body is not human. Also body without a soul is not human. Only a soul and a body together, is named Adam, human. If we look closely to the word Adam, we can see it is composed of 3 letters: Aleph, Dalet, Mem. In this case, Mem Sufit, the ending Mem. As we learned before, each Hebrew letter has a numeral value. The numeral value of Aleph is 1, the numeral value of Dalet is 4, and the numeral value of the Mem, in this case Mem Sufit, the ending Mem, is 40. If we combine all of these numbers together, we get the value of 45. So Adam, human, Zachar Nekeva, male and female, soul and a body, they create a volume of 45. Now, as we learned in our previous lessons, we have the name of God in the face of mercy and love, known as Hashem, which is written Yod He Vav He. If we take the numeral value of the name Hashem, we get a volume of 26, because Yod is 10, He is 5, Vav is 6, and He again is 5, and together they create a volume of 26. This is one way, and a simple way, the most simple way to write the name of Hashem. But there is another way to write the name Hashem, not just in 4 letters, as we have seen so far, but also of the letters that we pronounce, and yet we don't write them completely until the end. One option is to write the name Hashem with the filling letter Aleph. How do we write the name? We write it, as we learn, with the letter Yod. But in this case, we write the whole full letter Yod, as we learned in the past, plus Vav, plus Dalet. This is a complete letter Yod with a filling. And then we write He, Aleph, like He, not just the letter, the simple, but the filling of the letter He, Aleph. And then we write the letter Vav with the filling, which is written Vav, Aleph, Vav. And then we write the letter He with the filling, meaning He, Aleph. So, the name, his great name, is written Yod, Vav, Daled, He, Aleph, Vav, Aleph, Vav, He, Aleph. When we make the geometrical value of those letters, we get a number of 45. How? Yod by itself, the little one, has a volume of 10. Vav has the value of 6. Volume of 6 together is 16. Plus Dalet is 4 is 20. Now the letter He is a volume of 5. Plus the Aleph has the volume of 1. So together they create a volume of 26. And then another Vav, which is 32, another Aleph, 33, another Vav, 39, another He, is 44 and another last Aleph is 45. So, Shem Hashem, the name of God in the face of mercy and love, with the filling letters of Aleph, give us a volume of 45 as the same volume of Adam. Adam equals 45. Shem Havaya b'milui Alfin, the name of God in the face of mercy and love with the filling letters of Aleph, give us the same value, meaning there is equivalence of form between Adam, human, and the name of God, which is filled with the letter of Aleph. So what does it mean? It means Adam, Zachar Nekeva, soul and body, has together the same value like the name in the face of mercy and love. There is a coevalation of form between the human, the spirit, the soul in a person, in a human body, and the name of God.